Today we study trigonometric functions of allied angles. First of all, what is allied angles? If the sum or difference of the measure of two angles is an integral multiple of pi by 2, then these angles are said to be allied angles. If theta is the measure of an angle, then minus theta, pi by 2 plus minus theta, pi plus minus theta, 3 pi by 2 plus minus theta and 2 pi minus theta are its allied angles. फर्स्ट लेक्चर मध्ये आपण हे फॉर्म्युलांचे प्रूफ बघितलंय. साइन पाय बाय 2 मायनस थीटा इज इक्वल टू कॉस थीटा, कॉस पाय बाय 2 मायनस थीटा इज इक्वल टू साइन थीटा, tan पाय बाय 2 मायनस थीटा इज इक्वल टू कॉट थीटा and sin pi by 2 minus theta is equal to cos theta, cos pi by 2 plus theta is equal to minus sin theta, tan pi by 2 plus theta is equal to minus cot theta. या सगळ्यांचे प्रूफ आपण फर्स्ट लेक्चर मध्ये बघितले. आता या फॉर्म्युलेवरून आपण हे फॉर्म्युले ज्या पद्धतीने आपण फाइंड केले त्याच पद्धतीने पाय साठी 3 पाय बाय 2 आणि 2 पाय साठी पण आपण हे फॉर्म्युले फाइंड करू शकतो. आता या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला एक प्रूफ किंवा डायरेक्ट फॉर्म्युले दिले. आपण हे फॉर्म्युले कसे आले आपण फक्त एक एक घेऊन त्यामधले एक एक प्रॉब्लेम फॉर्म्युला घेऊन आपण सॉल्व्ह करू. ओके. साइन पाय मायनस थीटा, साइन ए मायनस बी चा फॉर्म्युला यूज करा. काय साइन ए मायनस बी चा फॉर्म्युला? साइन पाय कॉस थीटा मायनस cos pi sin theta. Okay, value of sin theta is what? Value of sin pi is what? 0 into cos theta. Value of cos pi is what? minus 1. This is minus 1 and sin theta. 0 into cos theta is 0 plus minus plus, therefore this is equal to sin theta. Therefore sin pi minus theta is equal to sin theta. Similarly तुम्ही cos pi minus theta आणि tan pi minus theta साठी फाइंड करू शकता. नेक्स्ट sin pi plus theta is equal to sin pi cos theta. साइन ए प्लस बी चा फॉर्म्युला यूज केलाय आपण इथे. साइन पाय कॉस थीटा प्लस कॉस पाय साइन थीटा. व्हॅल्यू ऑफ साइन पाय 0 इंटू कॉस थीटा प्लस व्हॅल्यू ऑफ कॉस पाय इज मायनस 1 इंटू साइन थीटा. 0 इंटू कॉस थीटा इज 0 प्लस मायनस मायनस साइन थीटा. therefore sin pi plus theta is equal to minus sin theta. सिमिलरली ही बाकीचे सगळे रिझल्ट तुम्ही प्रूव्ह करू शकता. ओके. नेक्स्ट आता त्या सगळ्या रिझल्टचा यूज करून आपण हा टेबल तयार केला. या टेबलवरून तुम्हाला डायरेक्ट व्हॅल्यूज लिहिता येतील. साइन इथे तुम्ही काय म्हणू शकता? कोसेक. साइनच्या आणि कोसेकच्या व्हॅल्यूज काय येतील? सेम. कॉस आणि सेकच्या सेम येतील. टॅन आणि कॉटच्या काय येतील? सेम येतील. आता आपण या सगळ्या फॉर्म्युलेवर प्रॉब्लेम बघूया. फर्स्ट साइन 690 डिग्री. ओके. 690 डिग्री कॅन बी रिटन ॲज 2 into 360 degree. 2 into 360 degree is what? 720 degree. 720 minus 30 degree is what? 690 degree. And this is of the form 2 pi minus theta. 2 pi minus theta. Sin 2 pi minus theta. Sin 2 pi minus theta is what? Minus sin theta. And here theta is 30 degree. This can be written as sin 30 degree. And value of sin 30 degree is what? Value of sin 30 degree is what? This is sin 2 pi minus theta was minus sin theta and sin 30 degree is what? Minus 1 by 2. Minus this value is minus 1 by 2. Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2 and this minus sign as it is. Second, tan minus 690 degree. Okay, tan minus x is can be written as minus tan x. This is also written as 690 degree. Okay, 690 degree is written as 2 into 360 degree minus 30 degree. Okay, tan 2 pi minus theta is what? Tan 2 pi minus theta. 2 pi minus theta is minus tan theta, minus minus cancel, therefore tan 30 degree, and value of tan 30 degree is 1 upon root 3. Third number, sec 240 degree. Okay, sec 240 degree can be written as 180 degree plus 60 degree. Okay, sec pi plus theta. Sec pi plus theta means cos pi plus theta. Cos pi plus theta is what? Cos pi plus theta is minus cos theta. Therefore, sec pi plus theta is minus sec 60 degree, and sec 60 degree is what? Minus 2. Sorry, 60 degree is 2. Minus into 2 is minus 2. Next problem. Cos pi plus x into cos minus x divided by sin pi minus x into cos pi by 2 plus x is equal to cot square x. Okay, consider LHS. LHS is equal to cos pi plus x into cos minus x divided by sin pi minus x into cos of pi by 2 plus x. Okay, we know that cos pi plus x, cos pi plus theta is what? Minus cos theta, and here is theta is x, therefore minus cos x, and cos minus x can be written as cos x divided by sin pi minus theta is what? Sin theta, theta is x, means sin x, and cos pi by 2 plus x is what? Minus sin x is equal to cos x into cos x, cos square x minus cos square x divided by sin x into sin x minus sin square x, minus minus cancel, cos square x upon sin square x is what? Cot square x. Hence proof. Next problem. Cos 3 pi by 2 plus x into cos 2 pi plus x into cos 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot 2 pi plus x is equal to 1. Okay, consider LHS. LHS is equal to cos 3 pi by 2 plus x into cos 2 pi plus x into cot of 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot of 2 pi plus x. This is equal to value of cos 3 pi by 2 plus x is what? Cos 3 pi by 2 plus x is what? Sin x. Cos 2 pi plus x is what? Cos x. या सगळ्या व्हॅल्यू तुम्हाला लक्षात ठेवावं लागणार, त्याशिवाय हा प्रॉब्लेम तुम्हाला या टाइपचे प्रॉब्लेम कोणतेही सॉल्व्ह होणार नाही. ओके, नाउ cot 3 pi by 2 minus x is what? Tan x, and cot 2 pi plus x is what? Cot x. This is equal to sin x into cos x. Tan x can be written as sin x upon cos x. Cot x is written as cos x upon sin x. This is equal to sin x into cos x. Denominator same करा, cos multiplication will sin x into sin x, sin square x, cos x into cos x, cos square x divided by cos x into sin x. Sin x cancel, cos x cancel. This is equal to sin square x plus cos square x, and sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. This is equal to RHS. Next, sec 840 degree into cot minus 945 degree plus sin 600 degree into tan minus 690 degree is equal to 3/2. आता या प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये आपण अगोदर सेपरेट यांची व्हॅल्यूज फाइंड करून घेऊ. कन्सिडर sec 840 degree. Okay, first we find sec 840 degree. Sec 840 can be written as 2 into 360 degree plus 120 degree. Okay, this is equal to sec 2 pi plus theta is what? Theta is, this is theta, 120 degrees theta. This is equal to what? Sec 120 degree. आता इथे 120 डिग्रीची पण व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला माहित नाही. आपण हे पण कसं लिहिता येईल? सेक 90 डिग्री प्लस 30 डिग्री. दिस इज ऑफ द फॉर्म पाय बाय 2 प्लस थीटा. 90 डिग्री मीन्स पाय बाय 2. सेक पाय बाय 2 प्लस थीटा इज व्हॉट? मायनस कोसेक थीटा. मायनस कोसेक थीटा. थीटा इज 30 डिग्री and value of cosec 30 degree is 2. Therefore this is minus 2. Okay, next cot minus 945 degree is equal to cot minus x is what? Minus cot 945 degree is equal to 945 degree can be written as minus cot 2 into 360 degree plus 225 degree. Okay, this is again of the form 2 pi plus theta. Cot 2 pi plus theta is what? Minus cot 2 pi plus theta is what? Cot theta, means cot 225 degree, and this also written as 225 degree can be written as 180 degree plus 45 degree. Okay, this is equal to, this is again of the form cos pi plus theta, sorry, cot pi plus theta, and value of cot pi plus theta is minus, sorry, cot pi plus theta is what? Cot theta, means cot 45 degree. Value of cot 45 is 1 and this is minus 1 and minus 1. Next, sin 600 degree. Sin 600 degree, 600 is written as 360 plus 240. Okay, 360 degree plus 240. Sin 2 pi plus theta is what? Sin theta, means sin 240 degree. Again 240 degree can be written as 180 plus 60. This is of the form pi plus theta. Sin pi plus theta is what? Minus sin theta, means minus sin 60 degree. Value of sin 60 degree is root 3/2 and this is minus root 3/2. Next, tan minus 690 degree. Okay, 690 degree. Tan minus x is what? Or minus theta is what? Minus tan theta, means minus tan 690 degree is equal to 690 degree can be written as this minus 2 into 360 degree minus 30 degree is equal to tan 2 theta, sorry, 2 pi minus theta is what? Sin 2 pi minus theta is equal to what? This minus tan theta. Okay, हे सगळे फॉर्म्युले तुम्हाला लक्षात ठेवावे लागणार, त्याशिवाय हे कोणतेच प्रॉब्लेम तुम्हाला सॉल्व्ह होणार नाही. This is equal to value of tan 30 degree is what? This is tan 30 degree. Value of tan 30 degree is what? 1 upon root 3. Put these all the values in the problem. Okay, LHS, sorry, LHS काय? sec 840 degree into cot minus 945 degree plus sin 600 degree into tan minus 690 degree. Put all the values. Sec 840 degree is what? Minus 2. Then minus 1 plus sin 600 is what? Minus root 3/2. 1 upon root 3. This is equal to minus 2 into minus 1. Minus 2 into minus 1 is what? 2. This minus root 3 cancel. 1 upon 2. 2 minus 1 upon 3. Sorry, 1 upon 2 is what? 4 minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 3 by 2 is equal to RHS. Okay. Problem थोड़ा लेंदी पण easy. Next, cosec 90 degree minus x, sin 180 degree minus x, cot 360 degree minus x divided by sec 180 degree plus x, tan 90 degree plus x, sin minus x is equal to 1. Consider LHS is equal to cosec 90 degree minus x, sin 180 degree minus x, cot 360 degree minus x divided by sec 180 degree plus x, tan 90 degree plus x and sin minus x. Okay, cosec 90 degree minus x means cosec pi by 2 minus x. Value of cosec pi by 2 minus x is sec x. Sin pi minus x is what? Sin x. And cot 2 pi minus x is what? Minus cot x divided by sec 180 degree plus x is what? Minus sec x. Tan 90 degree plus x is what? Minus cot x. And sin minus x is what? Minus sin x. Okay, sec x cancel, sin x get cancel, cot x cancel. Okay, minus 1 upon minus plus, and this minus 1 is equal to 1. This is equal to RHS. This is equal to RHS. Next, cos theta plus sin 270 degree plus theta minus sin 270 degree minus theta plus cos 180 degree plus theta is equal to 0. 270 degree means 3 pi by 2. Okay, consider LHS. LHS is equal to cos theta plus sin 270 degree plus theta minus sin 270 degree minus theta plus cos of 180 degree plus theta is equal to cos theta as it is sin 3 pi by 2 plus theta is what? Minus cos theta, and sin 3 pi by 2 minus theta is what? Minus cos theta, again minus cos theta, plus cos 180 degree plus theta means pi plus theta, cos pi plus theta is what? Minus cos theta is equal to cos theta minus cos theta plus cos theta minus cos theta, plus minus cancel, this is equal to 0. This is equal to RHS.